ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਦਾ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਆਇਲਸ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਟਿਪਸ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ। ਲੈਟਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ। ਦ ਫਰਸਟ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਇਜ਼ when you see a new word or phrase you don't know, underline it. In simple word, you have to underline the word which you don't know. Second one is guess the meaning from context. Note the word or phrase down in a vocabulary notebook. Add things to it that help you remember it and use it properly, like the meaning, pronunciation, synonyms, and example sentences. The another point is review your vocabulary book regularly. Add the new word to your active vocabulary by using it in a sentence.